Welcome back, friends. We are making this blog, and in previous video we have completed this blog till this level. So friend, I go to my Notepad++ and I would like to tell you one thing, that I have done one mistake. So first of all, I shall correct that mistake. Sorry friend, this is the query media max dash width, mean maximum width 767, and this query actually is inside this blog area and sidebar area styles. So under this media parenthesis maximum width column 767 pixels. So I am to correct this. Actually the right code is .blog dash main column before curly brackets and inside I am to write display none. Actually this was the right code, .blog dash main column before curly brackets and display none. First I wrote directly display none. So Control S to save. I have corrected it. I come back here and I refresh the page. Actually now this correction will not take effect, put any effect on it, but later on it made a lot of effects on this blog. So that was the right query. So once again I go back to my Notepad++ code editor inside style.css, and I now scroll it down and from here once again I start of stylizing post_body.php. so I write comment blog main page paging. So I write here dot paging. First I would like to show you this class, friend. I scroll it down, the page post_body, and this is the class paging which I use for pagination, this class paging. So now I shall stylize this class. Margin bottom 20 pixel, text line right, semicolon to close, dot paging space a column hover, mean anchor tag which is inside the paging class, dot paging a column focus, color #55873 semicolon, paging space I mean I tag which I use inside paging for icons, font size 16 pixel, dot paging a comma dot paging span tag which I use in it, I show you the span tag. So friend, I did not use any span tag, so I go back to my style, so I delete this. And I assign margin. Actually this curly brackets is one extra, it is extra curly brackets, 10 pixel, margin left 10 pixel. Dot paging space dot first I show you this one. The icon tag, the first, which I use, friend. This is the first. This is that class first. And the I tag is inside. And I tag is inside this first class. Margin right 5 pixel, dot paging space dot last. I also use the last, and inside last the I tag. So I go to my post underscore body.php, so this is the last class, and this I tag is inside this last class. Margin left 5 pixel. Now I go to my Chrome browser for watching the preview. So I refresh the page and I scroll it down to show you. Now you are watching that this pagination has been brought to right side of this page, right under this, the right article. So friend, if I go to my demo blog and I scroll it down, you are watching that this read mode buttons still remaining for stylizing. So it does not matter, we will stylize it step by step. So I go back to my Notepad++ code editor. I write the comment. Button used in blog. Buttons used in blog. .btn dash blog dash 1. I go to my post underscore body and I show you, friend, this is that class btn dash blog dash 1. First I defined its color hash 4 times f, 5 times f. Friend, it was 6 times f hash and 6 times f. Border color hash 549f cf 6f, sorry, not cf, hash 549f 6f. And background image, background dash image, linear gradient, Francis, to bottom, comma, space, hash 69BC87 space 0% not pixel, comma, space, hash 48A068 space 100% and semicolon to close. .ptn dash blog dash 1 column hover, comma, .ptn dash black dash 1 column focus, comma, .ptn dash black dash 1 column active and curly brackets, color the same color, hash 6 times F, background color, hash 4EAE 711 71, sorry, not 11. Now I go to my Chrome browser and I refresh this page. Friend, now you are watching that I have stylized this button, and if I bring my cursor over them, their colors are not being changed, the same. And if I click one of it, actually I have given the dummy link sign, therefore the same page is being opened. So friend, I have stylized these buttons till this level, and I go back to my Notepad++ code editor to see. Friend, this video has been made enough lengthy, so I see you in next video. Goodbye.